Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Captiva 7 Active, stock reference number 7394. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left front guard has a small fold on the front edge, good private. Left front factory alloy 18-inch mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one small dent. Right tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front factory 18-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, electric handbrake switch, automatic gear shifter, dual zone climate control, heater controls, single stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.